Oh, the prosciutto! Ah! Hey guys, it's Katie, and today I'm gonna be doing the tasty 20-minute challenge. And wow, that seemed really sad, hold on. I'm going to try to recreate a restaurant quality meal that would normally take me half a day to prepare in 20 minutes. For my appetizer, I'm gonna be making rosemary focaccia. For my main course, I'll be making creamy Tuscan gnocchi. And for dessert, I'll be making a chocolate chip ice cream. Normally this would take me half a day to make, but I'm gonna use some hacks, some shortcuts, but it's gonna taste delicious. I hope. I really don't wanna say this, but start the clock! Okay, oh my God. What do I do first? Okay, preheating. So right now I'm just preheating my air fryer, which I actually have never used this before, so woo! Also gonna preheat my oven. So the first thing I need to do is make my focaccia. Okay, first I'm gonna start with the appetizers, which is my rosemary focaccia, and I am going to quickly slice these guys in half, and this is a little hack. You put them on 2 lids and press them down, and you can slice them all basically at once, like this. Woo, okay. So this is a rosemary focaccia. It's not really focaccia because I'm using pizza dough, so that's a little trick, a little shortcut. It's not gonna be authentic, but it'll still be yummy. And we'll be adding these tomatoes and some rosemary. Let me grab, where's my pizza dough? There's my pizza dough. So with any good focaccia, you gotta have lots of olive oil. So first I'm gonna put it into this pan. We'll add the olive oil. Go big with olive oil. It helps get it nice and crispy. I can't get it out of the bag. It's fine, I got it. Okay, okay. This is a great start. All right, I'm gonna put this onto my sheet tray and we're gonna spread it out into a circle because that's, the air fryer is a circle. And you're gonna press down your fingers to make these little divots. And the divots are gonna catch the olive oil. And it's, like with pizza dough, it's pretty easy to make. It's fast, it's filling, and it's delicious. I'm also gonna spray this guy with cooking spray so it doesn't stick. The air fryer is my first hack because it's gonna go a little bit faster than it would in the normal oven. Guys, I'm so nervous. I need to zen for a second. Okay, great. I'm gonna add in more olive oil over the top. You really, just a lot. I like a lot. And then I'm gonna put my tomatoes over it. That looks like too many tomatoes. Too many tomatoes. Taking some tomatoes. Well, how much time has it been already? Okay, great. I was supposed to be farther than this. It's fine. Okay, so now I'm just breaking up sprigs of rosemary. It smells delicious. Calming, it smells calming. And we'll put this over the top. That's what it looks like. All right, it's going in. Oh my gosh. Setting the timer for 16 minutes, so this is gonna cut it tight because that says 16:58. That's fine. Next, we're gonna make the ricotta gnocchi. So normally gnocchi is made with potatoes. You have to boil the potatoes. I'm making it with ricotta because it's kind of a hack, it's a shortcut, and they're super pillowy. I originally discovered this kind of gnocchi because I had all this ricotta left over from a lasagna. There's not a lot of moisture in this ricotta, so I'm gonna skip squeezing out the moisture, which I would normally do, to save me time. I don't think anyone should be cooking under this type of pressure. I only have like 15 minutes left. Guys, I don't feel good. Okay, so now I need to put 3 egg yolks in. I underestimated or overestimated myself. Oh. Don't break the yolk when you're separating eggs to get the yolk. This is not pretty. I gotta go wash my hands. I didn't think this through. I didn't think it through. Kelly. I have to go wash my hands. Is there a place to wash? Film this, don't film this. I'm going. Kelly's knows. This is a disaster. Okay, salt, pepper. What if I am nowhere near the time? I don't put pepper in this. Well, there's pepper in this now. I don't normally put pepper in this, but there's gonna be pepper in this and it's gonna be delicious, I think. Wait, we're gonna do, this is supposed to be a cup. I'm measuring with a 1/4 cup. This is taking me longer. This is the gnocchi. I'm making the gnocchi. So I know it doesn't look like gnocchi, but it's gonna be gnocchi. My station is a mess. What I need is a sous chef. I am feeling the pressure. I'm feeling a lot of pressure. Oh, and I need to add flour. Guys, it's all good. I'm just gonna get my hands in here because why not? This one usually takes me like 20 minutes and I thought if I could condense it down to like 15 to 12. But I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do that. I've got my ball of dough here and we're gonna cut this into quarters. I'm gonna start rolling this guy out. So now this is the fun part. You get to roll your gnocchi out really fast, really quickly. So now we start cutting them into pieces, trying not to get them to connect to each other. How many minutes do I have? The guests might not be getting dessert tonight. Who knows, who knows? Oh, the prosciutto! I'm supposed to have put prosciutto in the oven. So where is there we go. And we're preheated, so that's perfect timing. Kelly from Culinary just told me to use a knife. Kelly, our culinary producer, is backstage helping me. Kelly was so much cool and calm and collected, and I am a mess. We are at 9 minutes. Oh my God. Oh, I still have to make the sauce, and in the sauce, the gnocchi will cook. I have a lot to do still, but I could be done maybe. I just gotta kick this sauce up a notch and make it quick. Great. And then I am gonna get some oil going in our pan. We'll let that heat up, and I'm gonna keep working on these guys as we go. Okay. I basically need to cook the gnocchi. I need to cook up my onions. I need to saute them so that they get translucent and nice and soft. Again, these are not how I like to make them little and fluffy, like little pillows, but they're kind of chunky boys today. Just a few chunky boys. I'm gonna put my onion in now. Okay, great. So we just wanna get these guys as close to translucent as possible. Oh, this is at 6 minutes. I need to cover with, oh, it's starting to brown. It doesn't look that pretty. It's fine, because it will taste yummy. I hope. Oh, I didn't do flaky sea salt on it. Guys, it really doesn't look great. It's okay though, because you just have to keep moving forward. A lot of stuff doesn't always look good, but it tastes good. I will finish this gnocchi. Okay, great. We're going warp speed, warp speed. Yeah, things have gone wrong, for sure. Things have definitely gone wrong. Kelly, stop laughing at me. Kelly's over here like the whole time. She knows like, oh, she forgot the salt. Oh, she forgot the flour. Like I can feel it.
I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, I love you too, Kelly. It's so scary. Oh my God, 4 minutes? That's as much gnocchi as you're getting, and it's not gonna be even. I'm gonna add now the garlic and red pepper flakes. I was just too brave. I thought I could do pasta again. Okay. Yep, it takes 4 minutes to do what I'm about to do, so that's I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it, but that's okay. I'm gonna just keep a positive attitude. Some heavy cream. I am gonna put in sun-dried tomatoes, because can't have creamy Tuscan without it. Oh my God, it's 3 minutes! I am never, this is disaster. This is how I know on competition shows, like I would never survive. How's the prosciutto? Oh God. They're crispy. Oh God, they're crispy. They're burning, they're burning. Good, we're good. They don't look too bad. They look a little overdone. It's fine. I'm gonna try to make dessert. I'm gonna try. This is not actually ice cream, it's nice cream. And if I try to make ice cream, that would take like 4 hours. So I am going to do it this way. Man, I don't think I was running enough in the beginning, and now that's what oh my God, I have 1:47. Ah, great. Okay, I've never used this one before. It's going well, it's going great. It's going great. 1:11 seconds! This is what's going on inside my brain. We'll come back to that. Do you have to have it plated in 20 minutes? It's about 3 cups of soup. It's a mess. This is not what it's like in me in the kitchen. Lemon juice, some Parmesan cheese. 30 seconds! Ah!
So Katie did not finish.
Yeah! This is a nightmare. I'm very sorry, internet. I'm very sorry to anyone that watched this.
I was in here the whole time in the back, cheering Katie on.
Kelly, stop laughing at me.
I thought she had it, and then some things happened.
So I so I failed. That's okay, I'm okay. I really do think that my nerves did get me at the beginning. I was so nervous about this. I don't know why.
I told Katie, She had to get that focaccia in the air fryer within 2 minutes of starting or it was not gonna cook. And when I checked the clock, it took her over 4 minutes to get in. I'm confused where the tomatoes and rosemary went on, on the focaccia, because I saw her put it on, but now it's gone.
I'm so happy with my ricotta gnocchi, and just like introducing that to the world. If you haven't tried it, I am so excited to be passing that along. That is really good. And then it's a nice like saltiness from the prosciutto, and the basil's really fresh. And for dessert, we have got some nice cream here, which is the banana ice cream. And I'm very excited to try this. It's more like vanilla than chocolate chip. That's really good. And with nice cream, it's not overly sweet. I did get kind of a chunk of banana in there, so it's not even fully mixed together, but overall, really, really yummy, and just a great way to have a quick dessert. I think that it's a 25-minute meal.
Should I say that?
Do you think it's a 20-minute meal?
I think I could have gotten it done. But
Well, that's it. Let us know in the comments if you guys want to see me do this again. Please, please, please. I want to have a chance at redemption. And keep a lookout for more episodes, and we'll see you guys real soon. Bye.
Oh, yes.